Imagine a service where you can check many aspects of your website's activity in Google Search for free. You could find out how many users visit your site from Google Search, which queries bring people to your websites, or how your website appears on Google Search. Well, there's good news. This service already exists, and it's called Google Search Console. If you're a business owner and you have a website, Google Search Console is for you. Even if someone else is in charge of the technical maintenance of your website, your site is still part of your business. Make sure that you have access to Search Console and that you're familiar with what it can do. Learning about how your website is performing in search results will help you make informed business decisions, and will help you become more aware of how to use search as a channel for connecting with your potential and actual customers. So what can Search Console do for your online business? It helps you understand whether your site is on Google and how Google Search and the world sees it. Search Console includes a wealth of information. There are a few metrics you can review every week to make sure your website is getting visitors. How do your potential customers usually find you on Google Search? What queries bring you the most traffic? What other sites mention and link to your website? How well does your mobile site display information? Search Console allows you to submit new content to Google and to remove content that you don't want to show in search results. You can also monitor the health of your website. Search Console will warn you if we detect that your website has been infected by malware or if it has any spam issues. So remember, if you have an online business, it is important to monitor your website's activity in the same way you might monitor your inventory levels or your weekly operational costs. This is to make informed business decisions and maintain a positive online presence. Get familiar with Search Console as one of the ways to monitor your website's activity and health. In the next episode, we'll offer 5 essential tips on how to make sure your website appears on search. If you liked this video, like it, share it, and comment. And we'll see you soon.